welcome to Always Alyssa. How are you guys all doing today? So, as you all know, I love foxes, and I try so hard to fill my room with foxes. Like right now behind me, you might not see very many, but one day there's going to be no Hawaiian stuff left. It's just going to be foxes everywhere you look. In fact, my room is probably just going to be a fox on the wall or something. I don't know. But anyways, so I'm going to show you my desk because recently I did something very cute, and it's a bunch of cruise ship themed foxes. They're adorable, so let me show you. This one's one of my favorites because it's like a chef, a server, and a dinner table with a little fox eating meat. Also, that fox is literally at the best table on the whole cruise because everyone wants the corner one where there's like a window. And those ones are playing trivia. Because that's what you do on a cruise ship. That one over there is a little Hawaiian tourist. And this one is trying to steal stuff from the buffet. And that one's sunbathing by the pool, while this one's stuffing its face with donuts. Those two are enjoying the hot tub. I got the inspiration to make all those adorable foxes because we booked a cruise, and I was super excited and everything, so I made those foxes and I just set them all up. I kept making more and more, and I'm still going to make more. But then our cruise got canceled, so that was pretty sad, and I was planning on taking those on the cruise with me and like putting them in my room or something because that would just be super cute. But since the cruise got canceled, well, I just still kept the cruise ship foxes up because they're like my favorite of the Christmas and all the other foxes I've made. So I just kept them up, and hopefully we can see if we can do a cruise later this year. That would be pretty fun. So I have the Hawaiian section and the fox section and even more foxes above it. And the dragon and another fox and another one that fell over. And another fox and another one. And then that one's a fox and that one's a dragon. So yes, plenty of foxes everywhere. You can draw your foxes and put them in a little scene, just like I did. So let's get started. Okay, so what you're going to need is just a pencil, eraser, paper, a Sharpie for tracing, and markers to color. And of course, like most of my art tutorials, you don't have to use markers to color. You could paint it, you could use colored pencils or crayons, pretty much anything, but I think that markers look the best. So it's really up to you and what you want to do. Also, don't mind the little practice ones I made over here. Those are just for reference, so yeah. But anyways, let's get started. So we're going to be drawing 4 basic, adorable little cartoon foxes in 4 different positions. So one is going to be sitting, one will be standing, one sleeping, and one is going to be the behind view, like if the fox is looking at something. So these are literally going to be so cute. I draw them all the time, so I know you guys are going to love them. So let's get started. I think I'm just going to do the basic sitting one first. I'm going to start it up here. So I always like to start these foxes by their ears. I think it's the easiest way, like ears, head, body, tail. So yeah. So you're just going to draw a basic little ear shape, just like a little triangle. And do it on the other side. And you can make another line just for the outer part of the ear if you want. And then you'll do a curvy line connecting it. That'll be the top of the head. And then you're going to bring the ears down a little bit more. This part's a little tricky. You're going to go down a little bit in, like that. So down, a little bit in, and then out. It's hardly curved at all. You can barely tell, but it makes a difference. Then you're just going to do a couple little fluffy things. And then you basically can see the shape of the head, and you're just going to connect it. And make a little dip down for the nose. Isn't that cute? Okay, now we're going to make the nose and the mouth, and then make the line to separate the orange color from the white color. And now for the eyes. I just make big white circles for the eyes, and I just color them in with black, like most of the way, and it's pretty cute. Okay, so now for the body, just do a little neck, pretty skinny, and you're going to go down and make it get a little bit more wide and curvy. And then right at that point you're going to do 2 tiny little feet, maybe not tiny, but just 2 little feet, and then you're going to make 2 more feet, and then you'll make little legs. So it's basically 1 line in the middle, 2 little feet, and then 2 slanted lines, kind of going inward if you think about it that way. You make it a little bit taller, and somewhere in the middle of those legs you'll just do a little line, then you can know when the black starts on the leg. Okay, I'm going to do the white marking again. Just like outline the body, kind of, pretty simple. And then of course for the tail. So the tail's gonna be like a ginormous fluffy tail, so cute. super fluffy and super big. Let me just adjust it a little bit. That might actually be too big. But you know, the bigger tail you have on your foxes, like the cuter it is, because foxes have ginormous tails. Then you'll just do your little white little zigzag line thingies, and you have your first little fox. Isn't it so cute? So I'm gonna fix its body just a little bit, touch it up a bit, so it doesn't have as much long of a neck. But next we're going to do one that is sleeping. I think that one's gonna be very cute. Okay, so the sleeping one is pretty simple. So first you're gonna start with the ears. And this time they're going to be slanted as if the fox's ears are going downwards because it's relaxed. So you'll just make two little ears, kind of droopy. And then you'll make the same thing, same shape for the head. And you can make those same kind of lines on the ears. And then for the head, we're basically doing the same shape as last time. And this one, I'm just going to do a nose. I'm not going to do a mouth because it's going to be asleep. And this one's eyes, of course, are going to be shut. Okay, it might look a little strange right now, but it's gonna look super cute as soon as we add the body, I promise. So you're gonna come out from like the ear right here. You're gonna make a curved body shape, just like that. And you're gonna keep it going like this. You're gonna make it like a, kind of like a half circle, and then you'll make it go up, and this is gonna be the tail. So you're gonna make a tail shape. So round, up, and then round. And you can make those same little zigzags for the white. And then you're gonna make a little leg right here. So just like a backward C shape. And then we're gonna make two little legs. Just a line and a little paw. And you can make one more line here, just for the black of the leg. And you can also make another line right here, so you can know where to color in the white of the fox. And now we've moved on to our next fox, and he's gonna be standing up. Okay, so now you're just gonna go up from that spot. And you'll make the other white line. And then we're gonna make another leg. Just do the same thing. This one's gonna be a little bit different shape. So just go the same line. Then this one, instead of going straight down, we're gonna go to the left a little bit. And then do the paw, and then go up. And then you'll just connect that just so we can know where to put the black on the leg again. Okay, now we're going to do the tail. You can make it like up in the air, you can make it down low, you can do whatever you want. I'm just gonna make mine like kind of, I don't know, down lowish. Now we're gonna do the back of the fox. Just kind of do a curved line. Now we're gonna start on the ears. Just make the same shape ear as the other ones and just connect it to the back line we just did. So now we're moving on to the next one, and this is going to be the behind view of the fox, if you were looking at it and it was looking at something. So first we're going to start on the ears, as usual. It's kind of going to be the same head shape as this one, just without the eyes and nose. So just make the little fluff the same. And this time, instead of dipping down for the chin, we're just going to make it pretty straight. Okay, now we're done with this one. I think it looks very cute. And I'm going to just add some markings right here so we can know that these parts are going to be black. So the last one is going to be a fox sitting, but it's going to be the side view. So first we're going to start with the ears, and then the head shape. And remember, it doesn't have to be super realistic, like it's supposed to be kind of cartoon looking. And now I'm doing the neck fluff. Now we're going to make the front leg. Now we're going to make the rest of this leg in the back. We're going to make one more back leg back here. And of course, we have to add the tail. Okay, so now all of our basic little foxes are done and we can color them. First, I'm going to start with Sharpieing this one. These cartoon foxes are so fun to draw because you can draw them in so many different places and themes, and they just look adorable. Like, you can draw them jumping, eating food, like anything you want, and it would turn out adorable. So first I'm just going to start by coloring in the ears black. And then of course I'm going to do orange. You're just going to do the little arms, or whatever you want to call them, legs right here, orange. So while I have this, I'm just going to highlight this one's eyes super quick. Oh, it looks so cute. I love it. Okay, so next I'm going to work on this standing one right here. Okay, I'm gonna make the eye of this one teal, I think. I think that'll look pretty cute. Oh, and now for the highlight. Perfect. So now we're gonna work on the last fox. Okay, so we're all done with coloring the foxes, and now we are going to cut them out. I'm just going to cut out the basic shape, and then I'm going to do details. Yay! So I have the first fox cut out, and it's super cute. I love it. So I'm just going to set this one off to the side now. Okay, now I'm going to do this one. I'm done cutting out this one. This one looks so peaceful and so perfect. Okay, just one left. And the last one is cut out. They all look super cute, and now I'm going to set them up. I don't think I'm going to put these ones with those ones because those ones are smaller and these ones are bigger. They're two different sizes. So instead, I'm just going to put them along here, and I'll have foxes everywhere. And soon this won't be Hawaii. It'll be just more foxes.
So her whole entire desk will be just full of foxes.
Yes. And this one's going to be sitting here peeking at all of us because he wants to be part of the fun. So I'm all done, and you guys have to comment and tell me what kind of scene I should do next for foxes. I was thinking about doing a Valentine's one or an Easter one, but that's not really yet, so I'm going to have to wait to do those, but I'm still trying to think of themes that I can do, so definitely comment and tell me your great ideas. But anyways, I hope you guys liked the video and that you found it fun to follow along, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!